Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this quick video, we will see how to get the last element of any item present inside a list in Python programming language. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically on my screen is a simple array or a Python list present, and what we want to do is we want to get the last element of the item in the list. So basically in Python we have this concept of something called as negative indexing. So basically you use the index in the form of negative integers and then we get the apparent output. Let me create a variable called as number, and then I will say my list underscore list, and now I will use the negative index method. For in this case, let's start with negative -1, and now let's print the num. Run the program, and as you can see, the last element, that is number 50, is getting present on the output window. Likewise, we can change the negative index from any term, that is from -1 to -n. So likewise, there are 4 items, so we can use the last negative index, that is -n, which is -4, and print that, and as you can see 200 is visible on the output window. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.